The clutch. Nope.
Oh!
Just tell him to go around you. Are you embarrassed?
Please go around. Please go around.
She's learning. She's learning.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you clicking on today's video. Hope you were having a fantastic day. It is time for my girlfriend to learn manual. I mean, I've been doing car content for I don't even know how long. I've been driving a manual the whole time. She has zero interest in learning, but we are going to make her learn on a $50,000 twin turbo V8. Now, I think learning on the S650 is going to be fantastic for her because it has so many assistive features being a 2024. I mean, it's almost impossible to stall this thing. It's almost impossible to miss a gear. It says it on the screen right in front of you. It downshifts for you, rev match. I mean, it has every assistive feature you can think of. Hill assist. So I think it's a great one to learn on, but also, you know, maybe not. If she ever does try and drive another manual car that doesn't have all the assistive features, you know, maybe an old Miata or a Civic where you have to rev match yourself. If you're starting on a hill, you better hope you can drive. She's not going to get all of those traits. Sometimes I wish that I learned on a car that didn't have all the features because I had to learn the hard way when I got a car that didn't have them. She's got to learn one day. We're going to put her on the spot, and she's going to get this down before she leaves. We've got like a week.
Ladies and gentlemen, this right here is Mary, better known as Miss Stangry, better known as Parker's side piece. We're going to refer to her today as Miss Stangry. Miss Stangry, what do you think about cars? Do you like cars? Are you a car girl?
No, I think they're dumb.
Okay, now, well, this dumb car was $50,000. It has a $15,000 twin turbo kit on it, and we're gonna teach you how to drive manual with it today.
And
Big
where's
time.
my ring for that?
If you get this first try, we can go pick one out. How does that sound? We gotta start it. I'll pull it out. I'll pull it out. Look, get behind the car. I'll start
got it.
You got it?
Ow.
Well, first thing you're gonna want to do is push the red button. Push the red button. Serious? Okay, she told me to record. She said she's got this. Alright, do whatever you're gonna do.
Where's the brake pedal?
The same spot as your car.
There's 3.
This is why I said to let me show you.
I'll just go with the middle one then. Okay. Actually, where is it?
They're all right there.
Just.
The left one is the clutch, the middle one is the brake, the right one is the gas.
Okay, I got this. Ready?
I've been ready. Let me know when you want my help. Does that sound not get you exciting? Is that not exciting to you? You don't love that?
I love the smell. It smells like corn.
Okay. If that one doesn't smell like corn, that one's on 93, not ethanol.
Well, it smells like corn.
It shouldn't smell like corn. That's probably...
It smells like gas.
That's what's in it, is gas, not corn. But
this is so close. You can see all my pimples.
you need to pay attention so you can understand what's happening.
Okay, well. Oh my gosh! I was not prepared. Am I allowed to show you?
Sure. You can show whatever you want. You're going to be doing this on the way home.
That's a nice car.
It's a Porsche. This one's so much more expensive than that. Are you paying attention to all the maneuvers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So Harrison kept putting it from first to fourth.
Okay.
I'm going to make you drive home, by the way.
I will not drive home, or we will end up right over there.
I think you'll get it. It's not as hard as you think.
Clutch.
Oh my gosh.
And buttons.
At least look what you're pointing at.
I can't see it. So let's see. Clutch.
No. Oh my
clutch?
No. The shifter and the clutch is down there. Start button.
Yes. This is a steering wheel. Windshield wipers.
You are being so mean. You can see my eyes. Can I get a cookie after this?
Sure. We'll change our deal from if you get it, we'll get you a cookie, not a ring. It's pretty even.
Sounds good to me. What is that?
Means there's a cop.
Who's a cop?
It detects a cop. There's a cop running radar.
Where?
I'm assuming it's the black Charger right in front of us.
That looks like a friendly one.
You want to do a pull past him and ask? Pretty cool, huh? With code STANGRY10, you get 10% off.
My tummy hurts.
You ready?
No.
You're going to be doing that on the way home.
What?
You're going to be doing that on the way home.
No.
It has factory no lift shift, so you can just hold your foot down.
What is that?
Instead of lifting your foot off of the gas, whenever you go to change gears, you can just keep it down.
Exciting.
To give you a quick summary of what to think here, I'm not going to explain motors to you. The clutch, your far left pedal, okay? When your foot is on it, it disconnects the motor from the wheels. The car will not move if your foot is all the way down on the clutch, okay?
Okay.
When you want the car to move, you have to put your foot on the clutch and put it in whatever gear you want. But the second that your foot comes off the clutch, the car will be moving. You cannot be in gear and go 0 miles an hour. Not a thing.
Wait. Again?
It's really just one of those things that I'm gonna have to, like, we're gonna have to do it a couple times. You're probably gonna get frustrated, but the more you do it and fail, you'll start to catch on more. Just make sure you don't freak out and hit the gas. If anything, hit the brake. I'd rather this car stall out than go into that Tundra over there. All right, are you ready? Scared? Good? Do you got this? First try?
I think so.
Okay, so we've just explained everything. What I want you to do.
Safety first.
Okay, yep. Take the parking brake off. You're just gonna push down on it.
Wait.
Just push down on the parking brake.
Okay.
While your foot is on the brake, push down on that.
Okay, wait.
Okay, push
2
down.
feet.
Brake, push it down. Okay, it's off. It's off.
Oh.
It's off. Okay, so now, if you were on a hill, you would roll.
Okay.
If you took your foot off the brake.
So then.
But you're not on a hill, so you're fine.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do, put your foot on the clutch all the way in. Remember, so now you're gonna put the car into first gear. Left and up. Left and up. Other left. All the way left towards me and in first, and it'll say it on the screen. There you go. Now if you let your foot off the clutch, the car will be moving.
Do I need to let off the brake?
So yeah, you can let off the brake. If you slowly, and I mean slowly, come off of the clutch, the car will start to move. Look at her. Harry, she got it in one try. Let's see if she can stop. She remember what I said, or she's gonna stall out. I think she got it. First freaking try. How about that?
Okay, wait. Let's back it up.
All right, back it up. So to back it up, you're gonna have to put on the clutch. You're gonna have to put it in reverse. You're in first. Okay, first and reverse. No. First and reverse are the same, but you have to lift up on the little thing. Now look. Hold this. You see this? So lift that up like that. Over and up. So you're in reverse now.
Wait, again?
Now this is gonna be a little
This
harder.
thing?
It's up, it's in reverse right now. So if you let your foot off the clutch, it's gonna go backwards. Remember, you have to do it slowly, because if you do it too fast and you don't give it gas, it's gonna stall out. So back it up. You got it. You're in reverse.
Slowly. There you go. You got it. Oh, my clutch. You got it. Now remember, if you want to stop, you got to put the clutch in, put it in neutral. Look at that. Nailed it. Twice in a row. Now, we're going to have to practice a little more, okay?
Okay.
You're going to have to go and move. More than forwards and back, you're going to have to turn a little. Are you following?
Okay. See if I could do it by myself.
Okay.
Okay. So, clutch. Wait.
Oh, that's third. Remember, all the way left and up.
Okay. And then off the brake.
Slowly.
Oh, we're going backwards.
We're rolling. You're on a hill.
Oh, and I
you
stalled.
stalled. See,
it.
if you come off too fast, then you're going to stall. So you got to put it back into neutral, restart it. With your foot on the clutch, foot on the brake, start it. Okay. See, no harm, no foul.
Okay, let's try this again.
Let's try it again. First gear.
Off the brake.
You're not rolling into anything, so you're fine.
Slowly.
And if it starts to kind of pull forwards, you can start getting on the gas a little bit. That's way too much gas.
I'm barely touching it.
Oh.
Ah! Okay.
All right, we're now moving,
Okay.
so you're good.
I can't see.
Pull up to the stop sign. And when you get to the stop sign, remember, you're going to stop, so you can't be in gear.
So I have to go neutral.
So you're going to pull to the stop sign.
Look at the baby.
Look at the road. Make sure you're, all right, stop sign.
I'm
Clutch
coming to
in,
the
neutral.
stop.
You can't. All right, okay.
Oh!
All right.
I don't know how to go into neutral.
So look, first is all the way left and up. So neutral. Look, first is here. To go into neutral, you just kind of bump it backwards, and it's back in the middle, and it'll
That's what
say
I
it on the
did,
screen.
But I don't know how to go back into neutral. Do I hit the clutch and then the brake?
Yes. Anytime you are changing
But
any
then the
gear,
clutch is gonna make me.
anytime you're changing gear, you have a person behind you.
Oh shit. Okay.
So there you go. Put it in first. Slowly off the clutch. Oh.
Oh!
Just tell them to go around you.
Please go.
Are you embarrassed?
Please go. Please go.
She's learning. She's learning. Okay, remember, you got to be in neutral. You got to start it. Okay?
That was so intimidating. Okay.
That happened to me on an actual road. So remember, you're on a hill now. You're in neutral. You're going to roll backwards. The car's not going to go anywhere. You're in neutral.
I can't go anywhere.
Put your foot on the brake.
There is a car behind us.
Tell them to go around you. Tell them to go around you. It's fine. It's fine.
Please don't leave.
It's fine. Look, you're thinking way too hard.
Okay, I'll let this old lady pass.
You're gonna go left, okay?
Okay, but I'm
So,
on a hill.
You're on a hill.
So
This car has hill assist. So you can put the car into first. You can still have your foot on the brake. Clutch and brake. Put your foot on the clutch and the brake.
it is on the clutch and the brake.
Okay, now push the clutch in and put the car in first while your foot is still on the brake.
It is on the brake.
Okay, then put it in first. Don't take your foot off the clutch. See? You're not moving.
Okay,
You're not
so
moving backwards. You're not moving
Take
forward.
foot off brake.
I would kind of come off the clutch a little first, and then you can come off the brake. But remember, whenever it starts to move, don't freak out and just
Wait,
come off
there's
the
people
clutch.
coming.
Don't freak out and just let off the clutch. You can come off it very slowly, and the car will start to move. But you're on a hill now, so you may need to give it a little bit of gas to make it actually move. Look, you got it. You got it. That was perfect. There wasn't even a hiccup. That was perfect. Good job. Why did you use a turn signal?
Safety. Okay.
Okay, see?
And then we have to park.
I'd say do another loop. Just keep... Starting and stopping is the hardest part. You need to just keep practicing that over and over and over. That's how you learn. So pull up here, stop, and then once you come to a stop, what are you going to do? Clutch and neutral. Clutch, neutral. There you go. Now you want to start moving again. Clutch first. There you go. Slowly out the clutch. Once it starts to grab, you can feather in the gas. There you go. There you go. You're nailing it now. You're nailing it. All right, you're gonna do it without me this time. If you have a question, you can ask. Look at that. By yourself. This is usually where she stalls, right here. She got it. Look at you go. This is the hottest thing she's ever done. Oh, we're rolling backwards. Ride the clutch. Oh, and we stalled.
Damn it.
There you go. She missed the curb, so I'm happy.
First experience,
Yep,
I would say embarrassing.
a little bit.
But interesting. You learn something new every day.
You want my opinion? That was the hottest thing you've ever done.
But now my tummy hurts. And I'm excited for my cookie.
I'm gonna make you close out.
I have to close out.
Here's what you're gonna say.
This concludes day 1 of prepping
All right.
to race.
You're not racing anyone.
Yeah. We forgot to do car ASMR, so here's this. So hold on.
Cutting all this out. Oh my word.
Was that it for today?
That is it for today.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys got a little secondhand embarrassment as well. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff if you'd like to see a little bit more of me. And we'll see you on the next one.
Yes, we will.